Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about octave and note values. What is an octave? An octave is a distance between one note to the another note with the same name, either higher or lower in the pitch. The word octave comes from the Latin word octo, which means 8. Example, start on middle C, count up the white key, start from the middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and the next C. That is 8 notes called an octave. What is note value? Note value refers to the duration of length of time. Each note has a specific time length on the time signature and the tempo of the music. The note value is divided into 5, that is semi-brief, minim, crotchet, quaver, and the semiquaver. Semi-brief. Semi-brief is also known as a whole note. It is an oval note head with no stem. It is a duration of 4 counts in 4x4 time signature. How to draw a semi-brief? On 5 horizontal line and 4 spaces, draw a oval note head with no stem. Minim. Minim is also known as a half note. It is an oval note head with a stem. It is a duration of 2 counts in 4x4 time signature. How to draw a minim? On 5 lines and 4 spaces, a oval note head with a stem goes up right side. What is a crotchet? Crotchet is also known as a quarter note. It is a filled oval note head with a stem. It is a duration of 1 count in 4x4 time signature. How to draw a crotchet? Draw a filled oval note head and draw a stem up from right side straight. Quaver. Quaver is also known as eighth note. It is a filled with the oval note head and add a stem just like a crotchet and add a one flag which curves off the top or bottom. It is the duration of 1 by 2 counts. How to draw a quiver? Draw a oval note head and add a stem from the right side straight and add one flag. Semiquaver. Semiquaver is also known as 16th note. It is a filled with oval note head and add a stem just like a crochet and add a two flag which curves off the top or a bottom. It is a duration of 1 by 4 counts. How to draw a semiquaver? Draw a oval note head and add a stem up from right side straight and add two flags. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more content.